Welcome to our channel. Setting up ad-free streaming on Firestick means subscribing to premium tiers of streaming services. Follow these step-by-step instructions for commercial-free viewing. Step 1. Subscribe to premium tiers of services that offer ad-free options. Netflix, Disney+, HBO Max, and Apple TV Plus are completely ad-free. Step 2. Upgrade to ad-free tiers on services like Hulu, Peacock, or Paramount+. These services offer both ad-supported and ad-free subscription options. Step 3. Use Amazon Prime Video, which includes no ads on its included content. Rentals and purchases also play without commercials. Step 4. For music, subscribe to Spotify Premium, Apple Music, or Amazon Music Unlimited for ad-free listening and downloads. Step 5. Understand that free streaming services like Pluto TV, Tubi, and Freevee are ad-supported. Ads fund the free content you enjoy. Step 6. Some services like YouTube TV and Hulu Live TV include DVR features, fast-forward through commercials on recorded content. Step 7. Consider the value of ads. Ad-supported tiers cost significantly less and may be worth the trade-off if you're budget-conscious. Step 8. Never use apps claiming to remove ads from streaming services or bypass commercials illegally. These violate terms of service and may contain malware. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.